being by the horse. Lucy, Priscilla, where are you going?
Drusilla, where are you going?
I'm going by my horse.
Okay.
I'm going by the Bean's horse. Birdie doesn't know I did something for her. She didn't realize I'm on a bike. And on a Daddy, why I'm walking past the
The kangaroo?
Uh-huh. Now I'm past the Australian. I'm passing Australian.
You're going past Australia?
Uh-huh.
Wow, that's pretty far.
I'm going past the horsey. Dad, can I ride it past the horsey?
Yes. You know what you... Oops.
What?
Nothing.
What's that? Look. What's this?
I think it's a broken hair beret.